In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your Spectrum mobile bill online. If you want a quick and convenient way to stay on top of your mobile bill, paying online is one of the easiest options. You can do this either through the Spectrum website or through the My Spectrum app, but in this walkthrough, I'll focus on the website process so you can clearly see each part of the payment flow. To begin, go to the Spectrum sign-in page. Make sure you're on the official Spectrum website before entering any account details. This helps keep your account secure and ensures you're using the correct billing portal. Once you're on the sign-in page, enter your account username and password to log in. If you're on a shared or public device, it's a good idea to avoid saving your login information. That small step can help protect your billing and account details. After you've signed in, look for the Billing tab. This is where Spectrum keeps your current charges, payment activity, and bill-related options. Selecting Billing will take you to the section where you can manage what you owe and submit a payment. Next, choose the Make a Payment option. This opens the payment screen where you'll be able to review your balance and decide how much you want to pay. If you want to pay the full amount due, you can enter that total. If Spectrum allows it on your account, you may also be able to enter a different payment amount. After that, enter your payment amount and then choose your payment method. Spectrum typically lets you pay with a credit card, debit card, or a bank account. As you enter your payment details, take a moment to double check the amount and the payment method you selected. This is especially helpful if you have more than one card or bank account available. Once everything looks correct, select Make Payment to finish. After you submit the payment, wait for the confirmation screen so you know the transaction has gone through successfully. If available, it's also helpful to save or screenshot the confirmation for your records, especially if you're paying close to the due date. And that's it. That's how to pay your Spectrum mobile bill online through the Spectrum website. It's a simple process once you know where to go. Sign in, open the Billing tab, choose Make a Payment, enter your amount and payment method, and then submit the payment.